In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today, I'll show you how to filter by year in Google Sheets on desktop. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your Google Sheet and selecting the range that contains your dates. It's best to include your header row along with all the rows you want to filter, so the filter applies across the full dataset. If your dates live in a single column, you can select your whole table or just that column. Both approaches work as long as the date column is included. Next, go to the top menu, click Data, and choose Create a Filter. You'll see small filter icons appear in the headers of your selected range. These icons let you control exactly what gets shown without changing any of your underlying data. Now, find the date column you want to filter. Click the little filter icon in that column's header to open the filter options. We're going to use a condition so we can filter by a specific year, even if the dates include months and days. In the menu, choose Filter by Condition, then select Custom Formula Is. This option gives us the flexibility to target just the year part of each date. In the Formula field, enter E as year A2 2025, replacing A2 with the first data cell in your date column and 2025 with the year you want to see. For example, if your dates are in column C and your first date is in C2, use ICSI year C2 2025. The key is that the cell reference should point to the first cell with a date in that column, not the header. The year function pulls the year from each date, and the comparison makes sure only rows that match your chosen year are shown. Click OK to apply the filter. Your sheet will immediately update to display only the rows where the date falls within that year. Everything else is hidden from view, but not deleted, so you can adjust or remove the filter anytime. A couple of quick tips to keep this smooth. Make sure your dates are recognized as real dates, not text. If the filter doesn't work as expected, check for mixed formats or stray text in the date column. Also, if your data starts on a different row, adjust the cell reference accordingly so it matches your first date cell. The sheet will now show only rows matching the specified year, and that's how you filter by year in Google Sheets on desktop.